Hello, good day viewers. You are highly welcome. If you are watching my video for the first time, kindly subscribe, hit on the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new content. I have this exponential equation, so let's see how we can solve this further. So now from here, I have 4. I want to rewrite the equation. 3 over 4 equals 1 over 2. So now from here, I would like to clear the fraction, okay, by multiplying through by 2. So if I should multiply through by 2, I want to multiply 2 by both sides. So this is going to be 2 into bracket 4 x to the power 3 over 4 then equals 1 over 2 then multiply by 2. So from here you can see that these 2 we cancel these 2. So I just clear the fraction. 2 times 4 I have 8x 3 to the power over 1 over 4 equals what? Equals 1. So we just clear the fraction here, right? So now the next thing we are going to do, so we are going to have this. Let's try to divide through by 8. Okay, again, so dividing through by 8, you see that this we cancel this. We have x 3 over 4 equals 1 over 8, right? But here I can still have 3 over 4 equals, let me write this as 1 over 2 then 2 power 3. So 1 to power 3 will give me 1, 2 to power 3 will give me this. So now from here, so let me try to multiply, okay, 4 to the both sides of the equation. To the power. So this is going to be x 3 over 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by equals 1 over 2 3 multiplied by 4. So now from there we are going to have x. You can see that this 4 we cancel this 4. I have x to the power 3 equals, then this is what? 1 over 2 raised to power 3.4. 3.4 means multiplication, right? So now from there, we are looking for the value of x. Definitely I will be looking for a way to get rid of this power 3. So therefore the only thing I can do to this power is to multiply the power by 1 over 3. Definitely is going to affect this power there. So we are going to have x to power 3 then multiply by 1 over 3 equals, that is 1 over 2. I have 3.4 then multiply by 1 over 3 again. Okay, so now from there we have x 3, we cancel this 3, then equals, I have 1 over 2. Then here you see that this 3 we cancel this 3 here, we have 1 over 2 raised to power what? Raised to power 4. So now from there we have s to be equals 1 to power 4 over 2 to power 4, right? So now from there we have x to be equals 1 raised to power 4 means 1, 2 raised to power 4 is 16. That is 2 raised to power 4 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is, when 2 multiply itself 4 times, we're going to have 16. So therefore, we have the value of x to be 1 over 16. And that is the solution. If you find the class very interesting, do not hesitate to follow our Facebook page, follow our YouTube channel, subscribing so you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Share this to your colleagues too so they can also benefit from it. Bye bye.